Mailbox Money is the simple system we use to create immediate and passive residual income with an app and a unique business tool. Too many side businesses today have some obstacles to success. Take party plan companies. These require home parties 2 to 3 nights a week, inventory to stock, handling returns, low commissions, limited team payout, high monthly personal sales, and continual new kit and product purchases. Not to mention begging family, friends, and anyone to host a party. And online parties? Yes, it sounds good, but the reality is, it is hard to get people to buy. How about the network marketing companies with vitamins, nutritional, weight loss products, juices, and shakes? There are hundreds of companies and products all claiming their secret formula is the best. They're overpriced and most people don't stick with the products, so there goes your residual income. Now there are skincare and makeup companies which cut your target market by nearly half. And speaking of overpriced, $90 for a bottle of night cream? Is it liquid gold? The fountain of youth? So whether it's parties, inventory, expensive auto ships, and a saturated market, most of these simply don't fit. So how does one develop Mailbox Money? What if there was an app for that? Imagine getting paid for using and sharing a free app on your phone, tablet, or even your computer. What if you could text or message your contacts and ask them just 2 simple questions? What if it's something that someone in real estate, insurance, car sales, corporate sales, direct sales, law enforcement, fitness pros, and virtually anyone could use to increase their current sales and add a second income stream with the app? A business where you don't have to take large chunks of time out of your schedule to work it. You just share it as you're on the go. You can share the app while you're commuting, at a coffee shop, and other activities. You can share it at networking events, in offices, or even while on vacation. Would you like to know about this Mailbox Money app? It's an exciting concept that allows you to develop a lucrative income. We want to show you a simple system and teach you how to take that system and with a few daily action steps, create a business over the next 2 to 5 years that could allow you to retire and just enjoy Mailbox Money. Take the next step and ask for a link to download the free app and the details.